Good morning, guys! It is Saturday, January 13th today, which means that it's my birthday! When I don't have my sister here, Stella is the crazy one.
Taking in charge.
Yeah, taking her place.
I'ma spend my money.
Are we?
Not really.
We're broke. I had a very early start to the day today because I woke up at 5:30 to get ready and get to central London because Stella organized a surprise trip for me and I actually didn't know where we're going. I found out at the bus station, but we are in Southampton. So that is a town on the south coast of England. Stella used to study here, so she's gonna show me around, and yeah, super exciting. We are just waiting for our food now, but look what a cute present Stella got me. It's a necklace and it says Wanderlust. So pretty.
Straight up your alley.
Straight up my alley. Apparently that's my phrase that I say all the time. I don't know if you can see it, but there's so much dust falling off of these earrings. And I'm back from our Southampton adventure, pregnant with food triplets. I seriously cannot breathe because we were literally munching our way through Southampton all day long. If you're heading there anytime soon and are looking for some food recommendations, I would definitely recommend you to go to Shrimp and Burger. The burgers were great. I really love chips or fries. I think they were my favorite of like the whole meal. And then we also had some onion rings and some shrimps in like batter or like fried. So yeah, that was really nice, and it also wasn't expensive. And then another place we stopped by is called Sprinkles Gelato, which Stella says it's like a really popular place in Southampton, and I definitely see why, because it's literally dessert heaven. They have tons of gelato, pancakes, waffles. Like, the menu is very extensive, and to be honest, I wasn't hungry at all when we went there, but I just had to order something, and yeah, I had some pancakes which were really delicious. So if you're going to Southampton, definitely check out that place out. But yeah, besides from eating and stopping by at the marina, which you have just seen, we also did some shopping and actually even managed to find and buy some stuff, so I thought I would show them to you. First, I went to Primark, which, by the way, oh my god, it was so nice to shop at. If you're from London, you'll know that Primark is literally hell on earth. There's so many tourists inside all the time, and like locals as well. You can't even like take a look at the clothing. Everything is messy. There's like a 30-minute queue if you want to try things on. It's just, I hate it. But in Southampton it was pretty much empty and it was so easy to shop, and yeah, it was just great. So I did try quite a few things on, but I ended up buying one top for the summertime. Just a plain black top with this cute little pom-pom detailing. Oh, it's so nice, and I can't wait to wear it. Then I also got a few things from Victoria's Secret. I managed to get 5 undies for £20 because there was also like a sale going on. Just underwear. I'm not gonna show you that. It's not that interesting, although these are really cute. Look at these. These are like wintry. Can you even see them? They're like snowflakes on it, and it's my favorite color as well. But then my favorite thing that I found at TK Maxx are these sunglasses. These are from a company called, I still don't know how to pronounce it. It's either Key or Quay, I don't know. You probably know which one I'm talking about because it was all over social media a couple of years ago, and I already own one pair from the brand, which, to be honest, I'm not satisfied with because the lenses scratched after a couple of wears, and now they're so scratched that I can't even see through them anymore. And it's not like I wasn't taking care of them, like I really don't know what happened to them. So I hope that with this one I won't have the same problem, but there's just something about the shapes that they have and like the style of sunglasses that just suits my face. And I also love that they're like reflective. So yeah, I ended up buying another pair from them, and I was really happy with the price as well because it was discounted from £45 to only 15, which I think is a bargain. And let me just show you how they look like. I hope I don't lose my eye in the process. But yeah, this is how they look like. I really like them. I think they look super cool. And they'll go with like everything because they're like clear basically. Now I'm gonna hit the mattress because I am extremely tired. It is 11 p.m. and I've been up since 5:30 today and I've only slept for an hour last night. So yeah, I'm gonna take my makeup off now and go to bed, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. So it is Sunday today and I have one of those sorting out my life days. I put together a meal plan for the week. I went to do grocery shopping. I'm washing my clothes and I'm just about to make myself some lunch, and I thought I would vlog the process because about a month ago I was eating mashed potatoes with spinach sauce and I put it on my Instagram stories, and a whole bunch of people who are not Slovenians freaked out and started asking me what the hell I'm eating. I'm not gonna lie, it does look a bit strange, but it is really yummy, really easy to make, so I thought I would show you how I make it. And also I'm gonna prepare myself some overnight oats for tomorrow morning, as well as some like cold pasta salad that I can take with me to work next week. So let's get cooking. First step to make the spinach sauce is you put some oil in the pan. I use some sunflower oil. Then you dice maybe half an onion and you press some garlic. I used about 2 to 3 cloves, I think. And now I'm gonna put these inside a dish and fry them for a couple of minutes. Then when the onion is like fried and yellow, you put in a little bit of plain flour. Just kind of sprinkle it and stir it for a couple of minutes until you get like a, I don't even know how to explain it, but yeah, you just like stir it for a couple of minutes until this like mixture now gets a little like thick. And then you pop in some frozen spinach. This is the one I have right now from Tesco, but yeah, I'm sure they have it in your country too. Looks like this, and just pop it in and wait for it to kind of defrost. I'm just gonna pour in some milk. You can use like completely regular milk, that's how we usually do it, but I switched to dairy-free milk, and the one that I'm using right now is Oatly, which I like the most so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna pour some in. Here we go. And now I'm gonna leave the whole thing to defrost. In the meantime, while my spinach is being cooked, I'm gonna make myself some overnight porridge. I found this like simple recipe online. I just hope it's the right one. It just says that you need 1 cup oats, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of milk. Again, I'm using the non-dairy one. So I'm just gonna put everything into my container over here, mix it, and put it in the fridge overnight and hope it turns out all right. And then in the morning I'm going to add in some banana. I bought some blueberries as well, and I think I'm gonna pour in some honey. Oh, I just remembered, I'm also gonna pour in some vanilla extract into this mixture that I'm making right now. But yeah, in the morning I'm gonna add some fruit, some nuts, some honey, and hopefully it will taste nice. Ta-da, here's my mixture. I don't think this can go terribly wrong, so I am hopeful. Another thing I'm making while my spinach is being cooked is this salad that I mentioned. I just cooked some whole wheat pasta, fried some zucchini. I also put in tomatoes and corn. Now I'm gonna put in some tuna and sour cream, and that's it. Here's my pasta salad done for tomorrow's lunch and the day after as well. And my spinach is ready as well now. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm just gonna put some salt in it and blend it with a blender, and that's the whole shebang behind it, really. Here you go. This is how it looks like. By the way, if it's like too thick and you want to make it more saucy, you can just pour some more milk in it, and that's it. But yeah, now I'm gonna go eat it. It's really yummy, and I'm gonna chat to you later. Right, so we have just fast forwarded to Friday. I actually have half a day off work today and it's kind of sunny outside, which can only mean one thing. I'm gonna go for a really long walk, which I haven't done in ages. I feel like it's really freezing outside, so it's not gonna be as enjoyable as it could be, but still, how many times do we see sun in London? Never. So I'm going out. I think this may be where Christmas trees come to die. I'm so confused. What's going on? Also, how typical is that there's no sun as soon as I go out? I'm really cold. Oh, it's so windy. But at least the view is nice. And there's some dogs over there in the distance, which makes me really happy. Okay, I'm back. I cannot believe how cold it is. I'll be spending the next 2 hours defrosting. Look at how rosy my cheeks are. Can you see that? Oh, I couldn't even vlog because if I took my gloves off, my hands went numb. So sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna have a chill day today, I think. Do some planning, listen to the Greatest Showman soundtrack, which I'm obsessed with. I haven't even watched the movie yet, and I already know all the songs by heart because I'm obsessed with them. They're so good. So yeah, I really need to go to the cinema. I saw that one that's kind of close-ish to me. There's like tickets for £5. So I might try to go maybe next weekend, we'll see. Even though I would prefer to see it at home because I always cry a lot when I watch movies. And I feel like this one will also make me very emotional. So I don't want to go to the cinema, but I really want to see it. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna listen to some music. I'm gonna do some travel research because I decided that I'm going on my very first proper solo trip, hopefully in March. And yesterday I asked on my Instagram stories what the best European spots would be, and I got lots of great suggestions. So I feel like I already have like at least 3 destinations that I can potentially go to this year, which is really exciting. I think I'm gonna first try to go to Lisbon. Then a lot of people also recommended Sevilla to me, which is in Spain, and it's a place I never thought of going before, but loads of people have suggested it to me, so I might go there. There's another town in Spain that my friend recommended to me. I don't remember how it's called, but apparently it has like Havana vibes, so totally up for that. And I also want to go to Copenhagen, maybe during the summertime when the days are a little bit longer and it's not as cold. But yeah, lots of potential places to visit this year. Hopefully I manage to see them all. That would be really great. But yeah, I think I'll start with Lisbon in March, but I obviously need to check for the plane tickets first and the prices of hotels and everything so that I can see how much it will cost me and if I can make it happen. But I am optimistic, so yeah, that's it for today. I don't think I'll be doing anything else exciting, so I'm just gonna say goodbye to you. I need to get some rest tonight because Stella has convinced me to go out tomorrow. I only go out like once a year, so I feel like I need all the rest I can get because tomorrow is gonna be a long day. Anywho, thank you for watching and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.